In the evolving landscape of architecture, the modern minimalist family home is emerging as an icon of serene and purposeful living. This design ethos champions simplicity, functionality, and a strong connection with the natural world. Imagine a home where every corner serves a purpose, yet the overall aesthetic feels light, effortless, and open. The standout feature? An open central space, a heartbeat of the home, where family, nature, and architecture blend in perfect harmony. The essence of minimalism lies not in emptiness, but in refinement. The modern minimalist family home strips away excess, focusing on what truly matters: light, space, and connection. Here, the design uses clean lines, neutral colors, and carefully curated materials to create an environment of peace and clarity. With an open space at the core, this house is more than a shelter. It is a sanctuary that inspires creativity, connection, and calm. Picture stepping into a home where the central area bursts open, a vibrant courtyard or an indoor garden bathed in sunlight. This open space anchors the entire house, bridging different rooms with visual and physical flow. More than just an aesthetic feature, it is a place where families gather, unwind, and bond. Children play under open skies, and parents enjoy morning coffee surrounded by greenery, feeling at one with nature. Modern minimalist designs celebrate the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls, sliding doors, and skylights seamlessly connect the open courtyard with the interiors. The result? A feeling of continuity where nature becomes part of the home. Sunlight filters into every corner, plants breathe life into shared spaces, and the sounds of wind or rain become a calming backdrop to daily life. The central open space is a focal point, organizing the home into functional zones. Living areas, bedrooms, kitchens, and study rooms radiate outwards, each maintaining privacy while staying connected. This design prioritizes family interaction yet respects individual space. In a minimalist home, natural light plays a defining role. The open central space acts as a light well, inviting warmth and brightness throughout the day. By minimizing walls and barriers, this design creates a sense of expansiveness even in compact footprints. High ceilings and neutral palettes amplify this spaciousness, turning the home into a canvas where light and shadow dance to the rhythm of the day. The materials used in this design echo the minimalist philosophy: natural, honest, and timeless. Think concrete floors, warm wood accents, glass partitions, and stone elements. Textures are subtle but rich in detail, creating a tactile experience that complements the home's visual calm. By pairing smooth surfaces with earthy materials, the design celebrates both modern elegance and organic simplicity, delivering a sense of balance and harmony. Beyond aesthetics, this modern family home embraces sustainability. The central open space promotes natural ventilation, reducing the need for artificial cooling. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient appliances make the home environmentally conscious. Every design element, from window placement to building orientation, is optimized for energy efficiency. This house doesn't just look good, it feels good for both the family and the planet. The interiors reflect the home's philosophy of minimalism, where functionality and beauty intertwine. Furniture is thoughtfully chosen, often multipurpose and free of clutter. Neutral tones of beige, gray, and white dominate, while accents of green from plants add life. Every object, from lighting fixtures to decor, has a purpose. The result is a peaceful environment where the family can focus on meaningful moments instead of distractions. A modern minimalist home isn't just about architectural beauty. It's about creating a living experience that evolves with the family. The open central space becomes a flexible zone for everything: a play area for young children, a yoga space for parents, or a gathering place for celebrations. Over time, this home adapts, meeting the changing needs of those who inhabit it while maintaining its calming and inviting spirit. This house isn't simply a structure, it's a feeling. The open space invites fresh air and freedom into daily life. There's a sense of clarity that comes from thoughtful design, a home where chaos is replaced with calm. This is a place to breathe, to slow down, and to cherish the beauty of simplicity. The family finds joy in shared experiences while maintaining a deep personal connection to the space. The modern minimalist family home with an open space at its heart represents the future of living, a future where design serves people and the environment. It embodies simplicity, beauty, and functionality while fostering connections with loved ones and nature. This isn't just a home, it's an experience, a canvas for life's memories. It reminds us that true luxury lies in space, light, and harmony, shaping a better, more mindful way of living.